ready to ditch the Squarespace URL and give your Shopify store that professional, branded feel. Let's get your Squarespace domain working for you. First things first, you'll need to gather some information from your Squarespace domain settings, log in to your Squarespace account, and navigate to your domain settings. We're looking for the specific DNS records that point your domain to its current location. In Squarespace, you'll need to locate and copy the IP addresses associated with your records and the value for your CNAME record typically. There will be 2 records and 1 CNAME record that point to Squarespace. You'll want to record these precisely, as they'll be crucial for the next step. Now, let's head over to your Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin panel on the left-hand side menu. Click on Settings. Then select Domains. This is where we'll tell Shopify that this domain now belongs to your online store. On the Domains page in Shopify, you should see an option to connect existing domain. Click on the Shopify. Will likely prompt you to enter your domain name type in the exact domain name you purchased through Squarespace. Shopify will now present you with instructions on how to configure your DNS settings. This is where we'll use the information we gathered from Squarespace. You'll see fields for host, type, and value. Most importantly, you'll need to enter the records and the CNAME record that point to Shopify. In Squarespace, you will need to remove or edit the existing records and CNAME records that are pointing to them. Replace these with the specific A records and CNAME record that Shopify provides for records. You'll typically enter as the host and the Shopify provided IP addresses as the value for the CNAME record. You'll use www as the host and your Shopify store's Shopify URL as the value. Double-check all entries for accuracy. After you've updated your DNS records in Squarespace, it's time to head back to Shopify and verify the connection. Shopify will begin to check if the DNS settings have propagated. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 48 hours, so be patient. Once Shopify detects the correct DNS settings, your domain will be confirmed as connected. You can then set it as your primary domain for your Shopify store, ensuring all your customers arrive at your beautiful, branded online shop. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Squarespace domain to your Shopify store, giving your brand a unified and professional online presence. Happy selling!